Once upon a time, in a cozy little house, lived a tiny kitten named Kit. Kit was the smallest kitten among the litter, but he had a heart as big as a lion. One day, while playing outside, Kit stumbled upon a lost baby bird. The bird was shivering and cold, with no feathers to keep warm. Kit felt a pang of sympathy in his tiny heart. "I must help this little bird," thought Kit. He gently picked up the bird and held it close to his warm body. Kit scurried back to the house, hoping to find something to keep the bird warm. In the kitchen, Kit found an old, soft cloth. He wrapped the bird snugly and placed it near the warm oven. Kit then curled up next to the bird, keeping it company and sharing his warmth. The next morning, the bird was warm and chirping happily. Kit was overjoyed to see the bird looking so much better. He decided it was time to find the bird's family. Kit carefully made his way to the park, where he had found the bird. There, he saw a family of sparrows, worriedly searching for their missing baby. Kit approached them, and with a joyful chirp, the baby bird flew back to its family. The sparrow family thanked Kit for his kindness and bravery. Kit, feeling proud, returned to his house, knowing he had made a difference. From that day on, Kit was known as the bravest little kitten in town. As Kit curled up in his warm bed that night, he thought, being brave doesn't always mean being the strongest. It means having a big heart and doing what's right, no matter how small you may be. And Kit fell asleep, dreaming of more adventures and the chance to be brave again.